Hi! Nandito tayo ngayon sa San Juan City upang ipasilip sa inyo ang bagong-bago at kaka-turnover lang na condo unit dito. This is Mango Tree Residences. Tara, pasukin natin.
This is located along M. Paterno, corner Ledesma Street, San Juan City. Good thing dito is pwede mo siyang gawing rental and Airbnb business. Perpetual ownership na siya, pet-friendly, and negotiable and flexible pa ang payment terms. We also offer zero interest terms na walang hidden charges. Only 300,000 pesos lang, makaka-move in ka na. Madali lang ang requirements dito, basta meron kang 2 valid ID and 30,000 pesos reservation fee, may kondo ka na. Pwede ka din makakuha ng up to 790,000 pesos discount kung sakaling makakapag-reserve ka ngayong month. For more information, tara pag-usapan natin. This is Lalaine de las Reyes, your senior salesperson here in Empire East.